I'm going to take a second and talk about what I've got here. These puppies, they are something else. Of course, Otto's blocking them all now. I don't do much training with dogs. I have too many. Stop. Don't chew on that. Hey, see what I mean? The attention and understanding, like all I have to do is talk to them. That's Delilah. She's fuzzy. I think I might sell her. Her coat's too long for my breeding program. That guy in back is Trucker. Hey, Trucks. There he is. I'm keeping him. I can hear him, and he hears me. We just talk to them. Right, Otto? He's smelling Ryder right now. Who is, hi, Ryder. He's got something special, too. And there's my little girl, China. Keeping her. Jed. Hi, buddy. Oh, well, that's not as fun. Hi, Otto. You blocking the puppies? They are so intelligent. But it's like a people intelligence. It's not... I mean, yeah, dog smarts. They know stuff, but they just... Gosh, these guys are special. And I just wanted to share a little bit of how they are. And this is how they are. You want to go on camera, Althea? That's Althea. Yeah, little girl. My big smiler face. My big smiler face. You're a good girl. And Shala's back there. She's a good mentor. She really is. Is not none of these dogs are bullies, but they know how to control the group. It's always quiet. Yeah, Inshallah. Good girl. Inshallah means if Allah wills it. Now, I'm not a religious sort, but it's all the same, All religions are a path to enlightenment. So, God willing and the creek don't rise.